Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a bookmark in Mozilla Firefox. Bookmarking is a super handy feature that lets you save your favorite web pages so you can easily find them again later. Firefox provides a few straightforward methods to add and manage these saved pages. We'll explore the simplest ways to ensure you can always get back to the content you love with just a click or two. Let's dive in and make your browsing experience even smoother. The quickest way to bookmark a page is by using the star icon. Simply click the star located on the right side of your address bar. A small window will pop up, allowing you to customize your bookmark. Here, you can give it a more descriptive name and select a folder to keep it organized. Once you are happy with the details, click the Done button and your page is saved, ready for your next visit. For more advanced bookmark management, the library window is your go-to. You can open it by clicking the three-line menu icon in the top right corner, then selecting Bookmarks, and finally show all bookmarks. This window gives you a comprehensive view of all your saved pages. You can easily drag and drop bookmarks to reorder them or move them into different folders. It's a powerful tool for keeping everything perfectly organized. Once saved, accessing your bookmarks is incredibly simple. You can find them in the Bookmarks menu, or you can enable the Bookmarks toolbar for one-click access to your most frequent sites. If you have many bookmarks, the search bar within the library window is very useful for finding a specific page quickly. Plus, if you use a Firefox account, your bookmarks will sync across all your devices, ensuring they are always available.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.